Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name's Sam and today we're going to explore the deposit and withdrawal methods of FXGT.com to make funding your trading account easy and convenient. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the different options available to how each process works. But before we dive in, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. And make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. First, let's talk about deposits. Deposits are the funds you transfer into your trading account to begin trading financial instruments like stocks, Forex, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. At FXGT.com, we offer a variety of deposit methods to ensure your convenience and flexibility with no commission. For example, with Neteller and StickPay, your funds are instantly credited to your account. These methods are not only fast but also secure, ensuring you can start trading without any delays. Additionally, we also support a wide range of other payment methods for your convenience. You can use bank wire transfer, payment by card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and e-wallets. For bank wire transfers, the minimum deposit is $100, while other payment methods have a minimum deposit of $50. To make a deposit, simply log in to your FXGT.com account and navigate to the Deposit section. Select your preferred payment method, such as Neteller or StickPay or other payment methods, enter the amount you wish to deposit, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Did you know that there are multiple bonuses available at FXGT.com? Doesn't matter if you're a new client who just registered or a long-term loyal trader with us. We always make sure that we release multiple bonuses to potentially boost your trading experience. However, all these bonuses are subject to change and their availability depends on account types and regions. To check your eligibility of bonuses such as welcome bonus, loyalty bonus, next time deposit bonus, and much more, make sure you check the promotions tab on our website. The bonus on the trading account provides traders with additional funds, which can help increase their trading capacity and potentially enhance their profitability. With the bonus, traders can open larger positions, diversify their trading strategies, and better manage their risks. This added leverage can be particularly beneficial during volatile market conditions, allowing traders to maximize their trading opportunities without needing to invest additional personal funds. Having said that, it's also important to understand that trading is risky. You'll want to make sure that you use all the tools provided and do your own research for the assets you decide to invest in. Once you feel confident with your research, then head over to the trading platform and choose the financial instruments you want to trade. Use the available tools and resources to make informed trading decisions. Place your trades and monitor your positions with ease. Alright, let's dive into how you can make withdrawals. You can request withdrawals to your card or bank account anytime, but keep in mind they'll be processed during standard banking hours from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 GMT plus free, and the processing times can vary based on the payment method you chose. If your full withdrawal request can't be completed using your credit card, you might need to use another option like e-wallets. Just like with deposits, there are no fees for making withdrawals. For example, if you have deposited $1,000 via card and have accumulated profits, any withdrawal requests will first credit back up to the $1,000 originally deposited to the same card. If you want to withdraw an additional $500 in profits, this amount will need to be requested through an alternative method such as e-wallets. As mentioned earlier, you can check the available method by going to your client portal for payment providers available in your country. And that's a wrap on deposits and withdrawals at FXGT. Before we finish, we want to hear from you. Drop any questions you might have in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. And since you made it this far, here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Happy trading, and I'll catch you in the next video.